Hi. So today I have started the one YouTube channel. Uh, its name is Think with Riz. Welcome. And the base idea behind it is to share knowledge, time, and idea. In the college and workplace, we usually think that things that I don't know, things that could separate me from others in terms of knowledge gain, or whether we are feeling competitive or happy or not. To bridge this gap, this is my small approach, and I hope you like. I will gonna explain many things that are tools or frameworks that most people are using. They are thinking they are solving problems, and what are they that we cannot learn in college? Okay, or there are many videos available in YouTube, but I have aggregated all of these and I'm making these videos in upcoming sessions. So I hope you're gonna like it. So let me start. So as the name suggests, Think with Riz is my name of my YouTube channel. What we will learn, let's see. There are many things like the topics that we can drill, like upcoming technology in software industries. In software industries, that many technologies are changing so rapidly that the technology that we were using 10 years ago is now completely wiped off. So what the technology that today's generation we are using it, we will discuss in this upcoming sessions. Second one is there are many website and portals that we can use it and we can utilize it, but many people they don't know it. Okay, that things that we also discuss, so that you can solve many type of real type problems. Third one is implementation technology and concept to design cool projects. Yes, so I will mostly focus on implementation of technologies. There are many in portals or online. You can go and check out how to learn the different things, but the implementation, how you can learn it. So for that, I have will make a special video so that things become quite clear for you, and that will be definitely from basic to advanced. Okay, that completes number 4. Second last is understanding of topic. Only basics were not required every case. It means that you doesn't need to have a most complex knowledge or most advanced for go through my session or through my videos. If you have the basics clear, that's enough. That is enough for understanding the most of the things. The last one is tips and tricks. Yes, tips and tricks are very important to solve various concepts in very quick manner. Things can be solved, but if you know the tricks, that could be solved in very efficient way and very less time. So from that we can start the project, we can make it, we can troubleshoot it, we can solve it, and finally we can get together in the final approach. Okay, so data, as the name suggests, so data is the new revolution industries that I have marked is as a header. So why people are interested in data, what are that why industries are changing its strategy to manipulate the data and to make a better fortune for it, and what are the different languages that can support, that can able to process the data and give a meaningful results, what are the APIs and frameworks are available. Okay, so in this upcoming lectures and videos there are other programming languages are available like R, but we will focus on Python mostly because it's very upcoming and most people will use it in upcoming years. So for Python, it's very famous for artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning. Okay, data manipulation, okay, data analysis. So for this, Python a very useful tool, a useful programming language. Okay, so we will understand in depth, like what is Flask, what is REST APIs, as the name suggests, what are the TensorFlow, what is TensorFlow engine framework, what are Spark, applications, and many other things: artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, algorithms, and how we can make that algorithm more accurate, what are the tips and tricks, many other things. So that we will learn more specifically, because this is a thing that mostly people don't know, and this is very upcoming, so we will focus in this area very much. Okay, time for tools and frameworks. So to achieve anything, we need some tools, right? And frameworks. So what are they? So in this few upcoming sessions and lectures and videos, I'll going to explain you what is Git and what is GitLab, what is different between the two, how companies are using it, what are the best practices. Spider, PyCharm, uh, and most people are using for Angular purpose, like for making web development and many other things for development. We use Visual Studio Code, that we will explain it. Okay, for data pipeline, we need Apache Airflow, that we will going to explain it. For deployment purpose, for making the pipeline for code checking and uh, pushing into Git repository, and after that deployment, we need Jenkins, that we will also discuss on it. Okay, after that, Jupyter. So Jupyter is very powerful, very easy to use, a very important tool, I can say. Okay, so we will also elaborate it, we will also explain it. And the last one is Docker. So Docker is one of the thing that many people are using it, and why people are using it, so that we will also going to discuss. And it's very important tool. If you use it, if you have knowledge of Docker, you can deploy your software very easily, that I can make sure. Okay, thing is, who am I? So I'm currently a working professional, currently working in Reliance Industries as a big data and machine learning engineer. I'm very much enthusiastic in learning and sharing the knowledge. I also have a few quite experience of few months of training student in training development company, as a trainer in robotics from basic to advanced. I come to know that how much computer and internet can bring change to the modern society, how much it's very much popular, and it's powerful. You can see that from your day-to-day life to solving many complex thing into medical also. The things are changing right now. So if you have any type of doubts in the upcoming session and videos, you can just comment on the my video, so that I as soon as possible I see it, I'll make that things clear. Okay, also you can connect with me through LinkedIn, Facebook, or Twitter. I'll give the link in the description also. And please share this video, share this YouTube channel to the people who want to learn many type of different things, especially the college student, and those people who want to see what is happening around, and many things that I want to discuss with you all in upcoming videos. So for that, please share, subscribe, and hit the like button, or press the bell button also, so that you never miss any upcoming videos also. Okay, so thank you so much. Till the time, bye bye, take care. I'll come back on the next video. Bye bye.